Talk about too much. It's a song about having insomnia. It's called Pink Noise. Thank you so much for listening. Literally lost when I don't sleep. I go to places inside my mind that I've never seen and I don't recognize. Even the leaves on the trees are falling into the sky. Why? Tell me, why am I here? How the hell do I leave? 'Cause the pink noise is too much for me. Go back to where silence is actually silence and it doesn't scare me to breathe. Back to where talking's as easy as walking and I can see further than 3 feet in front of me. Back to where silence is actually silent. Silence actually silent. Silence actually. Silence actually silent. Silence actually. 1. Made me forget that I'm good, that I'm me, that I deserve everything he didn't give that I need. 2. A year on from then, heartbreak delayed, and I'm amazed we gave up on that. 3. Just threw me aside as soon as he lured me in. Go back to where silence is actually silence and it doesn't scare me to breathe. Back to unwinding the knots in the cables and actually being able. Back to where silence is actually silent. I can feel the floor start to shake when I've been awake. When I've been awake, I'm on the brink, and oh my, the noise is 3 million shades of white to pink. I try to dance, so I try to dance, but lose my balance before I can blink. Oh, I can feel the floor start to shake when I've been awake. I've been awake. From the place I involuntarily chase when the back of my mind faces forward and I'm told I need someone else to make it okay. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your evening.